We're going to do a brief video on Carvana Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart here with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. As you can see, this stock went into a bear market around the end of November 2021. It's been in a bear market ever since. It's had great respect for the 20-day moving average most of the time, and you can see it's just been basically putting in some great declines, bear market declines. Assuming you're short the stock, they're great. And when it comes across, you can't really expect it to respect the moving average. But as soon as it gets back into a decline, it respects it beautifully, and has done so all the way down to this current sideways motion down here at the bottom, where price has been oscillating back around roughly $22, $23. So let's take a look at that real quick, and we can expand it and see what's going on with this stock. If we take a look at this, we can see here's your 200-day moving average right here. Here's the sideways area we were just talking about, and it looks like it's been more like back and forth around $25. We get this rally coming out here starting around the end of July 2022, and you can see this rally. There's two reasons. First of all, this price is too far away. It's hard to see here now that I've expanded the chart, but once the price gets too far away from a 200-day moving average, you're going to get a rally. The tendency of the market is to move back to the 200-day moving average in a decline, and to keep the distance consistent so people have some kind of an understanding, some kind of feeling of what's going on. So you get these kind of rallies for several reasons, and one of them is a technical reason. When you get too far away from the 200-day, that could have happened here. You also could have had fundamental reasons this happened here. You could have just had flat-out short covering here. That could be a short covering rally, but whatever it was, it had no steam, and it died out here at $58 on the 16th of August, and it's been really just not looking good at all ever since. This is not a trading market right here. This is just distribution. You can see it went up, they sold it, it went up a little bit again, they sold it again. They're just selling out of this stock. So I don't see a whole lot of energy in this stock. I also don't see a whole lot of negativity. So this is a trading range stock, but we haven't established the trading range yet for it. So the only way to really do this, in my opinion, is to put a top of 58 and a low down here of about 20. And I know that's ridiculous, but that's where we are right now, because the moving averages are no longer helping. The 200-day is too far away. It's all the way up here at 92. And I don't see any energy in this stock that would, go one way or the other. I don't see any negative energy to push it down further, and I don't see any positive energy to push it up to the 200-day. So my best analysis of this stock for entertainment purposes only, is just my opinion, is that this stock needs to make some swings and show us where the support and resistance levels are. We normally would expect it to come down here and test the $19 range. And then, and currently today it's right at the 27. So normally you'd expect it to come down and test these lows. It's that close, and you'd normally expect to rally up to around $50 level here, and going back and forth and put in some trading range for people to get the energy back in this stock and get excited to either buy it or just stay out of it, in which case it might drift sideways or even make new lows. So that's what we've got to see. We don't see that yet, and so my best analysis is this stock's probably going to be in a trading range between 50 and 19. I realize that's $30, but they're not giving us much to work on. Keep in mind, this stock just went from 20 bucks a share, 19 something, to 58 in a month. So it's totally possible that we could have that kind of trading range between this $20 and $50, and that's what I'm looking for out of this stock. Some kind of trading range, something to give us some idea of what it's going to do. Until then, it's really not possible to give you a better technical analysis than that. Again, all my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only. I checked earlier, we don't cover this stock at rbamresearch.com for some reason, but we do cover 190 plus stocks every morning with buys, 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. These are trading days, and they come out every morning before 7 a.m. You can see Apple's here today, NIO and Tesla, they all have entry prices today, and these are all algorithmically generated Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. In addition to the 190 stocks, we also cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, and you can get them all absolutely free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Just follow that link, put in your email, and sign right up. Again, no credit card required, no cost, absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Keep in mind that everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment, including the entry prices and our commentary. You should do your own analysis, and you definitely do trade at your own risk.